Scrub Daddy Professional, rust resistant, extra durable, steel mesh score pad with texture changing technology. Let's see. Steel mesh cuts through tough, stuck on ground, stainless steel, fiber resistant, rust and shredding, durable construction, effective without chemicals. Alright. Changes texture with water temperature. What? Ain't no way. Soften water warm. Soften warm water. Firm and cool water. Rinse is clear with just water. Alright, so you know what we gotta do. Gotta try it. I got the OG Scrub Daddy right here. Or Scrub Mommy. See the both. Anyways, it's the OG. Here's the brand new one. Score Daddy. Score Daddy. Okay. Yo, I know you can't tell on the camera, but I promise. It's hard. Very hard to squeeze. Let's try it in some hot water. Got my hot water on. Alright. Then it gets softer with warm water. Whoa, it really did. It really does. Don't take as much pressure. It really is softer. Warmer water. Needs to be all the way cold. Cool. Wow. Now we're gonna try with the cold. Okay. Get it under there, get it all soaked and whatnot. It really did stiffen up. It's not as easy to press. With warm water, it gets soft. Cold water or cooler water gets hard. Score Daddy. OG Scrub Daddy, Scrub Mommy. The new G. It's for all your barbecue feds, big black pods, professional stuff. That's some cool technology. Hot water, warm. Cold water, spins it hard. Can somebody answer me how?